tributes paid to radio disc jockey and music producer Arif Cooper at Fame FM. Super Cooper, as Arif was known, died suddenly on March 5 whilst selecting at a party.
So we go to well. Let's recall some great men who've been fighting for.
We just remember Arif in our good way. No sad vibes. As much as our heart full and our eyes them full, we just remember Arif in our good way.
Is that you to love him? That me know. I know God every minute we cussing about in Red Bull and Malta. It's an ardent that me know player. And it's a good youth. I wanted to select them in the business we make it. And him there for everybody. Everybody will keep an event. You can call for Arif. He might go come late. He might go come late. But you can call for Arif. Him I go there. Arif Cooper. You go doing what you love. That's why I rate you.
I'm missing you a lot, missing you a lot.
I wanted to select them and say, we mix and don't say one word.
I think we have had too many moments like these in the last few years, and we would love to have fewer of them. But what these moments tell us is that the time that we have together, we need to make that time count. The one thing I have to hold on to is the fact that I think he knows that from me, I told him that I respected his talent. And sometimes that makes a difference to people.
Solid as a rock, never stop, no.
This is what you call the mother of all shocks. It's surreal to walk up the stairs and see Arif's face on a big screen and to be speaking about him in the past tense. But as Denvo said, I look here tonight and I see faces that I know were friends of Arif and some people that he royally, upset and who would have upset him. And I see you all here tonight and my heart is full. Aaron's daddy and Adam's daddy and Aaron's daddy is no longer here. And so we honor him and we say we love him. We loved him when he was here and we love him still. And we pray for his soul to rest in eternal peace. Arif Michael Cooper.
I'm missing you a lot, missing you. Can't say that